is not a church service, but a powerful moment of unity, a sort of women movement seeking for a voice, not just a common voice, but that advocating for peace and reasoning. These women meet to pray for peace in Rivers State, the political capital of Nigeria's South-South region, reckoned for its economic and political relevance as well as its political undercurrents.
In our closets, in personal contacts, we've spoken and nothing happened. And then we needed to say, River State is our land. Can we pray? Can we go around? Can we cry to this God? Possessing our land, speaking to our land, bringing forth what God has designed for River State. And you know, River State is God's own state, dedicated into the hands of the Most High God.
They call themselves Rivers Women Unite Organization. But theirs is not principally political per se. It's an advocacy and spiritual calling where they make quite revolution, one that does not make headlines but moves heavens.
In the 23 LGA of River State, we bring the women together on a particular day. I will all seek the face of God to have peace, continual peace in River State. You need to see the crowd. Women troop out in their numbers, not minding the rain, not minding the sun, not asking for transport, because they know it's necessary for us to come together and pray together.
I can tell you without any iota of doubt that the prayers of women in this state has worked wondrously to keep us where we are without crisis, without trouble, without war, which had been prophesied over and over again. Because when people pray, prayers reverse ugly situations. It reverses negativities. And I'm certain that by the mercies of God, because of the prayers of women, River State has been enjoying peace, and we're where we are today.
It's a sacred assignment, holding up River State in the place of prayer, asking God for peace, harmony, and progress at all times, as if they saw tomorrow. So when the state descended into political crisis, they didn't panic. They lifted up their voices in prayers, and something shifted.
When it got to the peak of the crisis, that was looking as if there was no hope, they had one hope, and that was God. They kept coming week in, week out. There were times they were under the rain, not because they wanted to protest, but because they knew that they were crying unto God that answers prayers.
The women are doing excellent work, and which I admire. I encourage them, I also praise them. We're trying to bring peace among Rivers people. Us, I'm a Rivers man. So what I see in them is very, very important. And they are putting their leg and hand to make peace.
And we pray God hears. And they've not in any way discriminated against us. They are there, we pray our Muslim way, right there. God hears our prayers. So we are happy to affiliate with them. We are happy to be among them, praying to God, because whatever affects anybody in the state, it affects us. We don't have our own God, they don't have their own God. It's one God we are worshiping.
They walk, they fast, they intercede. Now they are seeing answers. Power brokers once at odds now speak in peace, and progress of River State unbroken.
By the grace of God, nothing will stop us. I think There was a time, in the time of the Jews, Esther rose and stood and she prayed. And I think the narrative changed. And this is why Rivers Women Unite have said, no, Rivers State must pray so that everything going wrong will come right. And I think the prayer of women, now make this thing happen like this.
This is the story of Rivers women, irrespective of political persuasions, yet stand on sacred ground with unshakable faith. Theirs is a fire that won't go out, not until River State is fully healed and on the path of unhindered progress. When women pray, the earth shakes and listens.